Figured I'd film another video for you guys today. Today I just had like a little chore that I was gonna do, like a little fix up. The other day I filmed a video for Passmag, just like an interview. I self-filmed it, put the camera on a tripod, and I ended up having to sit on my door sills and these things right here. And I ended up sitting on them and scuffing the gold Z badge that I had painted. If I remember correctly, when I did them originally, I didn't clear coat it, so that most likely is the reason why. And also just repeatedly getting up and messing up and sitting back down and scratching them. So everyone's bored. I figured I might as well keep the trend of trying to make YouTube videos and actually be posting and making content. So I figured I might as well pick up the camera and show you guys how I do it. So today is basically pretty simple. These are little door cards. I took off the Z badges. I know for a fact when you guys are gonna do it, it's not gonna be as easy as what I had done. I had to be very careful, and you have to be very careful because these things are brittle and they will crack and snap on you. So be careful. My main goal today is just to spray those down with a gold and then clear coat it this time, see if it lasts any bit longer and actually withstands a little bit more like scuffing and, you know, getting them wet and rubbing it with a rag, because before, even when I washed the car and ran a rag over that section, it'd take the paint off. So I might even sand them just a little bit for something for like the paint to grab a little bit. And then the only clear coat I have is caliper clear coat. So with everything being shut down and kind of closed, I don't really want to go out and get new just clear coat, and that's the reason I go out. So for today, we'll see if that works. I also have wrap and stuff too. I don't know if I'm gonna actually wrap them gold or not. I might just do it just for fun. So we'll jump into it. I'll try to do the best I can to film it and show you guys just like a little tutorial, I guess. Keep you guys busy, and this is keeping me busy. All right, so right now I think I actually might try to just wrap these gold, like it's a gold carbon fiber wrap. I did my door panels in it. So I might see if I can actually just wrap it just for shits and giggles, just cause like there's nothing else to do. And I have enough. So I might honestly just wrap that gold and not try to tuck it all, so you'll see what I'm saying when I show it, but see what it looks like wrapped gold. So I'll just do the one for now and then paint the actual badge gold chrome, I guess. It's not really chrome once it's sprayed, but it's close enough, right? So I'll put the camera down, I'll actually try this out and see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. It didn't work, so that was a big waste of time, waste of wrap. It wasn't sticking because it's kind of shit wrap anyways. So discredit everything I just said about wrapping them. That's not happening, and we'll just try to go into painting the badges. So from here, I'm just gonna try to sand them because last time I didn't do that. So maybe I'll take an extra step and just kind of see if I can scuff them up so that the paint will stick a little bit better. I'll do that, and then I'll start hitting it with a little bit of the gold. Every gold I use, I get this question like a lot, and what gold I use to actually spray lots of the car parts with, it's this one, Rust-Oleum, just metallic gold. Comes out pretty good. For what it is, it's really simple, it does the job. So after this, now that I'm done sanding them, I'll probably just wipe them down, and then I'm gonna hit it with the first coat of gold, see how it sits. I'm gonna do like a super dust, like barely touch them, and try to actually like draw this out for as long as I can. It's a nice day and the sun's like right on where I'm working, so hopefully this should be good enough to where this time around it's not gonna peel off. Okay, I guess from there, now that I just dusted them, that's kind of like what I usually do. Leave it, and I'm gonna let it sit in the sun for a bit. It's gonna dry really quick because like it's a super little coat. And then I'll keep doing that. I'll probably do that like 3 or 4 times and then call it a day. And then hopefully after all that is done, because I'm kind of nervous, I'll use the like high heat clear coat. It shouldn't do anything different. It's just a clear coat other than it's high heat. So fingers crossed that that doesn't absolutely destroy everything we were just about to do. And then after that, I'll put them back in the little door cards, glue them in, because that's just how I do it now. I just use super glue, so if I need to take them out, it's easy, but it's still strong enough that it stays.
All right, it's been like 3 minutes. I'm going faster than I want to, but whatever.
Okay, I'll leave that to dry and then I'll do it again. Okay, so we're on to the third coat now. It shouldn't be that much longer. It looks like it's covered. All I have to do is be worried about like the edges and stuff, because once the sun hits it, when it's in the car, you can see it. So I'll try to do like enough coverage that it's like done. And then from here, I'm just gonna try to do the clear coat, but I'll let it sit for like another 10 minutes after this coat. Okay, I guess that'll be, what the fuck was that? Okay, so that'll be like the last coat, and then now I'm just gonna leave it for like maybe even more than 10 minutes, probably 20 minutes. I'll go inside, get something to eat or something, because we're super bored doing this outside. It was sunny, but the sun keeps getting caught behind clouds, and then I'll come back out and then hit it with this like high heat brake caliper clear coat. Hope to God that it actually doesn't fuck up what we just did. Okay, so we're back from lunch. I basically gave it enough time to really set in. So all we have to do left now is spray it with the brake caliper paint. It's a clear coat, so it should be fine. So I'll get to doing that, and hopefully I'll do like a dust first coat, same deal as the gold. Dust it first, and then come in like the second and third coat a little bit heavier. Oh, and the sun's coming out. Thank you. Okay, before I go too much, I'll just leave it at that. Give it like 10 minutes and I'll do that. Same process over again. Oh! Oh, you didn't like it because there's water underneath. Here. I guess this is good to help us wait for the paint to dry, hey? Bring it. Good. Oh, okay. Why not? Can I have it? Okay. Oh, I can have it. Okay, well they do that. It's looking good. I didn't think it was actually gonna be this good with like brake caliper paint. So I'll do one more coat and then it should be fine from there, and I'll let it dry and then literally just gluing it back into the little holes here. Okay, literally that's it. I'll leave it like that. Okay, so with the final coat of clear coat on, it did a pretty good job. Like you can see that it's actually glossy. So now the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those and then install them into right here. You can see which ones go where, and then the grooves, there's grooves on the back, you line it up. So what I'm gonna do is that I did it before when they were already done, just used like really simple super glue. So then it's easy to take them out if you ever wanna redo them or they get scuffed and you can redo it again. So all I do is I stick them in and then I glue a little bit of a tab on each of the ends so you can see like the residue of the last time I did it, so that it's actually snugged in there properly. It's literally pretty straightforward. All you do is just click it in. Try not to scuff it.
Alright, and there you go. It's really not that hard. After that, you just glue it, but it's pretty in there right now, to be completely honest with you, so I might not even, well, I definitely will glue it this time, but I'll do it really lightly on the back. Okay, so now that I've glued it, it's pretty straightforward. I didn't even show it, but there's the end result. You can kind of see like the little bit of contrast that you can do, and this also goes for, you can do it with any color. So you don't have to be doing black and gold. You can do like whatever kind of color your car has, like as a theme on the interior or exterior. You can kind of do like black and red, black and blue, whatever you feel like it. But that's kind of the end of the video, I guess you could say. There's not really much else to show. If this is helpful, let me know in the comments, like if any of you guys try it, like DM me on Instagram so I can see that like what colors you actually choose. I figured this is just like a little easy way of kind of customizing a little bit of your interior and doing like your own little flair, because there are like carbon ones that you can choose for that piece, but you know, I like to kind of customize a little bit more than just going the whole carbon route. Even though I might do that in the future, I'd still probably have the like gold Z badge anyways. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to do a lot more videos for you guys. Even if it's just little tutorials like this, it's pretty cool just to be able to pick up the camera while I'm bored, while everyone's inside trying to social distance and keep busy with all the virus stuff going around. It's pretty cool to be able to pick up the camera and know that I'm connecting with a couple of you guys that are watching. So anyways, thanks for watching guys. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.